Welcome to Siem Reap. Hello, doggo. Are you friendly? I hope so. We're gonna take a stroll to the pub street and this area. We just found, oh, pot kapau. $2 pot kapau. Okay, guys. They have a lot of Thai food here as well. And I already looked out for Vietnamese coffee.
But they don't have.
They have somewhere a Vietnamese coffee shop, yeah. I'm pretty sure. I found it.
It's interesting. Meet the rats that sniff out landmines.
Wow.
Oh, rats!
Wow. I could imagine there are a lot of bombs still here.
Oh yeah.
I think, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think America bombed also lot of land of Cambodia, right? During the war. Yeah. Could be lots of bombs everywhere in the jungles. I mean, probably not here, right? This is far away from the border to Vietnam. But yeah, this country went through a dark history here. But there are very friendly people here. And I feel safe. I feel safe filming here. I don't feel like this. I don't know why people say in Cambodia you need to watch out your phone or anything.
Certain areas.
Maybe
What is the other city?
No, 100% in Phnom Penh because that's a big city, right?
Yeah.
But that's same in Ho Chi Minh City also. Ho Chi Minh City is also the biggest city. Lots of criminals there, just from the numbers, right? No matter which big city you have, you will have more criminals in the city. It's just a normal thing. But yeah, this here feels like a small little town. There's 250,000 people, I think. Yeah. But yeah, very interesting, guys. It feels it's a small town feeling here, and it's very nice. It's very pleasant.
I like the energy from it.
Yeah. It's very hot, and it's still rainy season.
This is what I'm
We are very
wondering
lucky
about.
at the
I
moment.
thought it's low season, but the weather is perfect.
Yeah. I don't know. For me personally, if I go to Thailand or now it's Cambodia, I would always go in the low season. So Cambodia also has a lot of temples here everywhere. 74? Is it 74 years of the country? Or this formation?
74 years after the incident here.
I don't know.
Take care. Oh, maybe we should also mention I do not listen any honkies.
There are no honks here.
Except this one.
But here's the thing, right? Look at how calm the traffic is. No one needs to honk. It kind of works. They have the roundabouts. People slowly driving here, very, kind, calm. Vietnam also drives slow and very passive. They are not aggressive on in the streets, but they honk. But it's just like, hey, I'm coming. Ding, ding. I'm coming. Doot, doot. All right, we are crossing the river here. You don't want to end up in this river here, so don't drink too much and roll down here, this little cliff. Yeah, lots of bridges here.
Do you think they have crocodiles here?
Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't want to find out.
No, me too.
I don't think they have crocodiles here, man. What is this? Okay. All right. So we are now here in the chocolate artisan. That looks like Marcus would like that.
Yeah, I love it. Oh, look at this. There's bread. The ATM.
Oh yeah, that's good.
It's also, we should mention it.
Yeah, exactly. So our German friend who lives here since few years, 3 years or so, said bread has the lowest fees with $4 per pickup. So it's wise to pick up more money. Yeah, breads. So all the ATMs are next to each other, very convenient. It's pretty nice. And you can also exchange money here. Hello. And then when you have money, you can go on a shopping spree here.
Ice cream.
Ooh, tiramisu. And ice cream. What is the ice cream prices?
I have to mention that many shops looking very nice.
Yeah.
It's like so stylish.
There are lots of hipster places.
Yes. Look
Yeah.
at this street here.
Oh wow, look at this. Beautiful. I mean, it would be better with people, but
Of course.
yeah. What is this? Somaha.
Restaurant, ribeye.
Oh, steakhouse. Let's have a steak in our trip as well.
Oh, please.
Okay. What a peaceful, nice area here. We also heard from our driver we should not. Oh, this is a Rolls Royce tuk-tuk. We should also not buy anything from tuk-tuk drivers. That's what he also said. It's very dangerous to buy things there. I don't know. But other than that, it's a safe city. Just
Amore.
gelato.
No, amore, it's gelato, eh? Scoop into happiness.
Oh, nice. Another gelato place.
Oh, it looks
So
awesome.
you will always have gelato here. That looks also pretty nice. Oh my god.
And it's the small one is 150.
It's nice and open area in the corner. Look at this. This is Mexican. Woo! Mommy.
Morning.
Morning. Oh, good. They all speak English here. This is crazy. Okay, what do we have Mexican here? Marcus and I met 5 years ago in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. They have English breakfast here, eggs Benedict. But where's the Mexican? I don't know.
We should test it.
Oh.
Just because there's like a, what is it? Anniversary.
Anniversary, yes. And we have Italian restaurant over there.
This is Greek. I knew it. I wanted to tell you this because
Elia
the
Greek
colors is very
kitchen.
like Santori
Yes.
style.
Yeah.
Or Santori.
Khmer kitchen. This whole neighborhood is like very. Oh, maybe this is the bar street, the pub street.
Let me check it.
I mean, that wouldn't make sense, right?
It could be. Let me check. I have to.
Yes, we are here.
We are, right?
So here.
The pub street.
Yeah, they look here, the past street here, okay.
Oh yeah, that place. Ah yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Thank you very
Thank you.
Very helpful.
Yeah, I like that. $4 massage. This is also very interesting. 30 minutes, $3. 60 minutes, $5.
Good morning.
And foot, $4. Okay.
you
Good
very
morning.
much.
We're just filming.
It's cheaper than Vietnam
Yeah, a little bit.
because in Vietnam it's around $8, 8 euros. Temples. Here's the party.
Ooh, oh, this is the pub street. This is the pub street on the daytime, guys. So the neighborhood around the pub street is also very developed for tourists. So you get money exchange over here everywhere, obviously. And you get here, you can do Thai baht. Hey, where's Vietnamese dong, my
There's
friends?
Vietnamese dong.
All
You see
right,
it?
Vietnam number one.
Yeah, number one.
Yeah. All right, Pub Street, Angkor. So this is the Pub Street. I also already heard it is not that long, but yeah, it's enough. And
I
we're
hope it's
definitely gonna
intense.
check it out.
But also they have the police here, right?
Oh, that's
Just
nice.
for-
And more developing over there. Is this police?
It's in their police.
Police box. Also, if you're feeling unsafe, you can go here. It's very nice.
And also when something happens, they're super close to the
Pub Street, yeah.
street, where mostly things happen when you drink.
Yeah. It is very interesting how they are open. So last night in our neighborhood, everything was closed at 10. Now here's everything closed in the morning. So I'm still wondering if they are just open at night and our places are open in the morning. Right? I don't know what this is. It's a hospital, I think. Oh, okay. Should we walk through the pub street?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's check it out already and then go again when it's nighttime. But then we already know what's going on in there.
I can tell you, we going here tonight.
Yes. Digestion. Huh.
Paper tiger. This is, we call it people who works in office in Germany. Paper tiger.
Oh, nice,
thank
Mr.
you.
David, VIP. Okay, cool. I really like those tuk-tuks. We're Germans, we're walking.
Walking.
But you have a very nice tuk-tuk.
Very nice. Do you want the rat?
Yeah, I think we are the worst customers for tuk-tuks. Because we're Germans, we're walking all everywhere.
Yeah.
But it's okay, I will definitely take a tuk-tuk at some point. But I'm gonna have a walking channel, I need to film.
Easy speaking.
Speak easy, oder?
I think it's in the
Oh,
second floor.
look at this. It's going deep in there. Oh. Interesting.
You know what?
Oh.
They have different etablissements. It's like
Establishments.
first floor, establishment. I said it in French.
Yeah.
Etablissement.
You hang out. We flew with French people. I can't believe it. The whole plane was full of French.
From Canada.
Oh, maybe. Then
Oh,
you have to say
excusez-moi.
French. You need to speak Quebecois,
Quebecois.
not French. Quebecois.
Oh, it's a little bit longer.
Oh yeah,
And the 7-Eleven is there.
that's what she said. Oh, 7-Eleven. Let's go to 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yes. Kashmir House, my friend. My friend, Kashmir. Kashmir.
No, who needs Kashmir? Oh, looking, there's advertisement for Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh.
Oh yeah, you can fly to Ho Chi Minh City with
$74.
Air Asia here. Lots of yeah. Actually looks very exciting. We're gonna come here at night. It looks also very comfy. Comfy seats here. What are the prices here?
Yeah, let's check out the prices.
$23 for a steak.
Oh, okay.
$14 for salmon.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, what is the pizza? Pizza is very famous
I
here.
think Hello.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, it's reasonable.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Empire. That's the club for us.
Yeah.
And this is what something is called.
Nice. Oink oink.
Exactly.
The Flex Bar.
Oh, look at this.
A cocktail.
$2. Happy hours.
The beer is $1. 1 plus 1.
3 shots.
Bottle beer. Flex.
They even call it Western Tribes.
Here you can play pool. Most popular Western bar.
I think this is the most masculine thing in the bar.
Whoa. No way. This is arm wrestling. Okay. Don't hurt yourself, old man.
What? Dude, I'm playing pickleball.
Dude, if you play pickleball, your biceps literally shrinking during that activity. The testicles also.
Going extra long.
I think the testicles shrink too with the pickleballing. Oh, Zando, this is a shopping thing, I think.
Yeah, we can check it out later.
Well, let's check out.
7-Eleven.
And is this a pho place? You can buy pho here?
Money exchange.
Bro, this is.
Young.
Is this Vietnamese here? Is it banh bao here? There's some grilled pork and okay. Interesting. Look at how majestic the 7-Eleven looks here. Huh.
And they have also a lot of ATMs.
ATMs over here. Hello. Okay, guys, it looks like Thailand, right?
I'm wondering if they have my fruity drinks.
No way! They have my favorite dish.
What is that?
Pad see ew. Oh my god, I'm gonna get that at some point here again. So this is basically almost like Thailand here, guys. They have literally the pad see ew here, like in Thailand. What is your favorite dish here? I don't think they have the toasties here, but maybe they have it. I'm not sure. Do you think they have the toasties here, Marcus?
No, they don't have my protein.
You don't have protein?
No.
Oh my god. Maybe it's over there. Hello. Oh, I don't want to make it dirty.
Go again.
Okay. Let's let them dry it up first. They have to have the protein shake, bro.
No. They do not look like. No, they don't have it.
Marcus is missing his protein shakes from Thailand, 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
Cleaning up here. That's how it looks. Yesterday I smelled somehow the toasties, but
This?
I want to have a drink. I want to have a coconut drink. They have pastries over here. It's usually somewhere sticking in between. Or maybe they have a beauty drink. It's
Yeah.
for you then.
No, no. I wanted to tell you that you
All you
have
need.
to buy 12 pen. Just all you need is milk. Dun, 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 dun. But they have sugar. I don't like sugar stuff.
I know, you're sweet enough, huh?
Yeah. So I don't like sugar, but let's take aspartame.
This is the zero thing.
Oh yeah,
What
yeah.
we have
I want
too.
This one is very good. I like it very much.
Oh, look at this. I haven't seen this pink guava.
Yeah, but they have sugar in. Oh,
No.
This is something new. I want to test. This is citron.
It's all, yeah.
Oh no, it's not something what else. No, I have it.
Okay, alcohol is served here non-stop. You also have Chang beer for all my Thai people. Chang is here, but they don't have Huda.
To be honest, when I would drink beer, I would always drink Black Panther, because it sounds like me. I'm a Black Panther on a pickleball field.
Okay.
Black Panther.
All right. I can see that, yeah.
You can ask Patrick.
Oh my God.
What they have? A lot of sweets.
Yeah, it looks pretty nice, yeah. It's also,
Pretty nice and clean.
yes, very clean. Yeah.
No, only these two things.
So many French people here. I think I feel like I'm in enemy territory with all those French-speaking people. My God, we need more Germans. Hello, I'm good. How are you? Yeah, this is the pub street from behind. Yeah, pretty nice. It's very zen here. I will keep you updated from all times of the day. And of course, I'm filming every day here. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you in the next one.